Hi, and welcome to this short video tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to understand your personal record. So starting with your user record. So by default, when the record displays only this top section as shown in the example. The left side of the panel contains your basic details, while the right side of the panel shows your usage history. To open any of the other panels of information, simply click the plus symbol located to the far right of the chosen panel as highlighted in the figure on screen. Essential skills. The left side of this panel shows your usage history and progress data for the module. Note that progress is shown as a percentage completion for each section of the module. You will show 100% complete only when you have accessed each page within that module. The right side of the panel lists your assessment history. These are all the self-administered practice assessments you have taken in this module. Note, the list shows the assessment date, medication domain and score. To view any of the detailed assessment results, simply click directly over the chosen record. The assessment results are displayed as described in the next section of this guide. Now you may have access to other safeMedicate modules such as pediatric body weight-based calculations or injectable medicine therapies. If so, the information on these panels is presented in a similar format as for essential skills. Moving on to practice your skills. Now under the Practice Your Skills tab, you will see a list of your practice assessment history. These are all the self-administered practice assessments you have taken in this module. Note that the list shows the assessment date, medication domain and score. To view any of the detailed assessment results, simply click directly over the chosen record. Lastly, assessments. If you click on the Assessments tab, a list of your assessment history is displayed. The left-hand side of the screen shows which module you have taken with the named assessment displayed underneath, while on the right-hand side it shows what type of assessment was taken and the date and time it was submitted. Now that's it for now, and thanks again for taking the time to watch this tutorial.